Hi Omar, it's nice to meet you. What inspired you to become a professional footballer and who were your role models growing up?
I would say my brother inspired me to become what I am today because since the first day he was always my role model. I was always doing what he's doing, basically copying him and everything, and yeah, he always showed me some videos what to do, the best players to watch, and this inspired me. And after a bit, I think both of us realized, okay, I'm a bit better, so yeah, he was my role model and inspired me.
Do you still play football with him?
Yes, sometimes. He always tells me, I played, I scored, I'm better than you, I'm faster. We always try to have a race, but yes, now I think it's clear.
Brotherly love.
Yeah.
What was the biggest challenge you faced transitioning from Egyptian football to European, first German and now in England?
From Egyptian to German was a very big step because of the professionalism in the teams and the intensity. Of course, the tactics, it's a different world. Everything is very organized. So coming into a system like that was very, very challenging. And from Germany to England, the biggest difference I think would be the intensity of the game and the quality of the players. The league here is very, very intense, and that's why it's one of the best leagues in the world because of how many very, very good teams you have. And yeah, I'm very happy to be here and to take up this challenge, and hopefully it will be nice.
You played as a winger and then as second forward and central forward. What suits you the best? What role do you prefer?
I feel comfortable to play in all of these positions because in the national team I play on the wing. Here I play as a number 9 or in the pocket as an 8 or a winger, and yeah, it always depends on what the coach needs. I feel like I'm dangerous in each position, and I always try to do my best. I always try to listen to what the coach demands from me and try to fulfill it at my best.
Is there a specific part of your game that you are actively working on improving?
I wouldn't say there's a specific part. I'm just trying to learn a lot from all of the players around me, try to take a bit from everyone, and of course from Pep. All of the instructions he gives us and the experiences he tells us, and it never stops. The learning never stops, and always try to become better every day, and yeah, hopefully I can learn a lot from the players with me and the coach.
When you are coming one-on-one with the goalkeeper, what's your thought process? What goes through your mind?
Not a lot goes through my mind because when you think too much, you will, I think you will miss, and it's all about instinct, and I always try to look at the goalkeeper, see where he is and take a decision. Sometimes the goalkeeper will stop it, but that's with the instinct and a lot of training, you start to make the right decisions often, and yeah, that's what I do.
Against Newcastle, you scored your first hat-trick in the Premier League in only 14 minutes. Is this the best game of your career, or would you choose any other?
It was one of my best games in my career until now, but hopefully many more to come.
What other game would you choose?
I had a lot of moments, very, very good moments. I would choose my debut with the national team.
You have a lot of high-stake matches in the Premier League. How do you face this pressure that comes with the big games?
We prepare ourselves for every game the same, and every game is important for us. I would say with the help of my teammates and standing as a team on the pitch, it makes any challenge much easier, and the pressure much easier. Of course there is pressure for us to perform, but as long as we stand as one unit and play with our passion and the character we showed in the last games, we would be alright.
Do you have any specific, very personal pre-game routines? What do you do before the game?
No, I don't have any specific routines that I do before the game. I just try to relax, be calm and enjoy the game. Try to focus on what the coach tells me and speak with my teammates and get a feeling for the game and just try to do my best.
You are not superstitious then?
No.
Do you listen to any music, or what do you do in the locker room just before you run out to the game?
Yeah, we listen to music, just do some mobility, get yourself ready for the game. That's it, nothing special.
How does it feel to be a part of the next generation of Egyptian players coming after the legend like Mohamed Salah?
Yeah, it feels very good to be here and to be doing my own story, because each player of us has their own story, and yeah, I just try to do my best, and hopefully many other players will come and be inspired and follow us in these steps in Europe.
Omar, thank you and good luck.
Thank you.